Bigfoot, Yeti, air pump, snake bite, Jurassic attack, Samson,
Salvager,
soldier of fortune, Maxty, race ace, zombie grave digger, backwards Bob, alien invasion, Poppy, fast show van, axe.
nice.
Oh, it's so deep. It's so deep up here. Oh my, that's so. And they go flipping, and Samson wins the win. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh, alien invasion wins. Go. Oh gosh. I have to slide down. Alien invasion in the winner's circle, and we're still racing at Axe versus who?
Salvager.
Salvager. Ready, set, go. Wow. And who's that again?
Salvager.
Salvager won. We're still racing Axe. We're still racing Axe, Daddy. Salvager won. Oh. Gosh. Ready, set, go. And Axe comes away with the win. Wow. Axe. We're still racing backwards. We're not racing Axe anymore. And zombie gravedigger takes the win. Let's go. And backwards Bob won. Where is he? You see a tire? You see it? Oh, and he is the winner. Wow. We don't have to race him anymore. Wow, he is. And they're off. Whoa, Fast Draw Van takes the early lead. And Fast Draw Van is going to take the win. And he's off. Wow. And Soldier of Fortune won. They're off. Wow, Race Ace takes the win. And Bigfoot takes the win now. Chuck's gonna win. And Snakebite bumps into Poppy, and Poppy takes it. Yeah! Get it. Let's do that again. Yeah. We get on the other side. Let's go. Okay. Gosh. Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that again. Yeah. Hey, look at me. Hey, look at me. Whoa. on me. Actually.
You got some dirt on your face? Look, you see all these monster trucks up here?
Yeah.
All these monster trucks, you got to try to knock over with a rock.
Okay.
Okay? And you get 1 point for each one you knock over. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's see it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we got one.
I got 1 point.
Oh!
Baylor.
And Gravedigger Zombie is eliminated. Oh, Salvager.
See, I told you I got one. Oh.
Oh, who'd you get?
Samson.
Oh, who was that?
Air pump.
Oh, we got him.